Unlike in the West, we do not consume bread on a day-to-day basis because there are several myths surrounding daily consumption of bread. So let's take a look at each of these myths and clear them one by one. The first myth surrounding bread consumption is it causes weight gain. Well, this is not true because weight gain can only happen if total calorific intake is much more than energy expenditure. The second myth associated with bread is that breads are unhealthy. Well, this is true only if we talk about highly processed white bread. But these days you have healthier options which is made from whole wheat or multigrain. And if you can buy it from trusted baker, then there is nothing better. The third myth surrounding bread consumption is that breads increase blood glucose level. Well, this is true of any diet rich in carbohydrate because carbohydrate on digestion is converted to glucose, which is later used as energy. So the idea is not to eliminate blood glucose spike, but to ensure this happens slowly, which can be achieved if you make use of whole wheat bread or whole wheat chapati in your diet. The fourth myth surrounding daily bread consumption is that brown breads are healthy. Well, we all know that whole wheat breads appear slightly brownish in color and there is health aspect related to it. So manufacturers these days, they add a coloring agent called caramel to make their breads appear brown. So as consumer, what you have to do is ensure you read the ingredient list before you make the purchase decision. Finally, there are many harmful chemicals present in bread like potassium bromate and azodicarbonamide. FSSAI a few years ago banned the use of potassium bromate in bread making. Azodicarbonamide is still used in India within well-regulated limits. So before buying your bread, what you have to do is read the ingredient list and ensure that these chemicals are not present. So to conclude, we can say that the question is not whether bread is good for you or bad for you, healthy for you or unhealthy for you. You should know how to include bread in your well-balanced diet plate. And always remember, moderation is the key. If you know of any brands that tick all the boxes positively, let me know in the comment. Thank you.